Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. I have some very big news to share with you all. We're going to talk about the SEC Ripple lawsuit. Could a settlement be in the works? Because we have some information from attorney Jeremy Hogan indicating that Ripple has not responded to a letter from the SEC. And of course, the William Hinman deposition took place this past week. We're going to go through that. In addition, Ripple has released their XRP report from Q2 of this year, and I want to share the details with you. And also yesterday, I interviewed Ashish Burla, Ripple general manager, and I want to talk to you about what we discussed. We also have big news about more money coming into the crypto market, millions being invested in the digital assets, as well as the companies that are building the infrastructure. Paxos is raising like $300 million, and you want to believe who's investing in them. Bank of America and some of other big companies. In addition, PayPal is expanding to Europe. So we are seeing growing acquisition, mergers, and expansions around the globe from these crypto companies. So let's go through it. Before we do, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, this video is brought to you by OKCoin Crypto Exchange, which has low fees. You can buy, sell, and trade your favorite crypto. You can also stake crypto, and you don't have to pay any fees when staking with OKCoin. In addition, guys, earlier today, I uploaded my interview with Arthur Brightman, the co-founder of Tezos. If you're a Tezos fan or you want to learn about Tezos, definitely check out this interview. It's on the OKCoin Crypto Exchange YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link in the description. Head on over there, watch the video, hit the thumbs up button, and hit the subscribe button there as well. So guys, also, like I said, I interviewed Ripple's Ashish Burla. I'll put a link in the description to that interview if you haven't seen it yet. Yesterday, this is very interesting. I want to share with you guys. It was the largest day of net outflows from exchanges since mid-2016, with exchange balances dropping by 60,004 Bitcoin. Watching it to see if we get a continued decline of exchange balances in the coming weeks. This is from Will Clemente, who studies a lot of the on-chain data. And what we're seeing is a lot of whales are buying the dip and they're moving the Bitcoin and crypto off the exchanges. And they've been doing that obviously with the prices down, right? And we are expecting another bull run up. I think Bitcoin's going to double peak like it did in 2013. And of course, the altcoins are going to follow. I believe, guys, that Bitcoin is going for six figures. I think it's going to go to 100,000 plus, and you can only imagine what the prices of the altcoins will be at a $100,000 Bitcoin price. We could see a $20,000 Ethereum. I've said it before, like an XRP at 15 bucks. Things like that are possible. Now, is it a guarantee? Will it definitely happen? I cannot tell you that, and no one can tell you that. What I can say is there a high probability of it happening? I think so. And this is from my own research and conviction and looking at the trends of how the market has played out before. And check this out. In addition to I should say, here's some clarity in the whales that are buying. MicroStrategy now holds approximately 105,085 Bitcoin, according to their earnings report, which was today. Tesla holds 42,069, close to 42,069 Bitcoin. This is from Elon Musk. So let's jump to the Ripple XRP news here. Attorney Jeremy Hogan, I watched the video today that he published, and he talked about what's going on. We haven't heard anything. The William Hinman deposition took place on Tuesday. We haven't heard anything. Ripple hasn't responded to anything from the last letter put out by the SEC. So why the quietness? Why not the response? Did Ripple's legal team drop the ball? Well, Jeremy Hogan, and this is speculation, was speculating that there seems to be maybe the two parties are talking about a settlement, and it's probably already in the works because, as we've been talking about, the SEC is looking really bad. The way Jay Clayton handled this, we've talked about it ad nauseum. No fair notice. They've chosen to give clarity on Bitcoin and Ethereum. No other crypto. This was just handled in a very bad way, and there's clear conflict of interest from Jay Clayton as well as William Hinman. So look, I could be wrong and Jeremy could be wrong, but the way things are progressing, why no answer? Why no discourse? Why no information? I think something is in the works, guys, and I'm praying it is a settlement, because I think the price of XRP is going to skyrocket once we have that settlement. And what is that going to do as well? Give clarity for more adoption of XRP. And if you saw my interview with Ashish Burla, we talked about Ripple ODL going live in Japan with SBI Remit, so people can move money, and that uses XRP. So all you haters that say no one is going to use XRP, it's a banker's coin, a scam coin, you have been proven wrong. And even before, this is just one corridor. There are already companies, payment companies, using XRP in other corridors. And once we have regulatory clarity, if you saw my interview, I think the floodgates are going to open up for XRP, and we're going to have a lot of clients that Ripple's partner with who are going to be using XRP. Now, Ripple's Monica Long tweeted the following: Q2 2021 saw 4 of the highest volume days for XRP ever recorded. New liquidity developments with Swissborg and Liquid and native NFT support proposed for the XRP ledger. Oh, and also some notable tweets. Check out the Q2 XRP markets report, and they have it on their website. So I'm not going to go through everything. You guys can certainly read through it. But the takeaway is, just so you know, as she tweeted, there is a higher volume. Obviously, they just opened a corridor in Japan. We saw that news this week. So you're going to see increased volume quarter over quarter. You're going to see increased adoption. And as I said, if this settlement happens, watch out. The floodgates are going to be open. I think we're going to see some of the biggest banks and payment companies in the United States and other parts of the world start to leverage Ripple ODL. Utility will skyrocket. And as Ashish and I spoke about in the interview, they're looking to expand the XRP ledger for tokenization, and that includes NFTs. Obviously, in my interview with Ripple's David Schwartz, we talked about federated sidechains and CBDCs on the XRP ledger. So big things ahead. It always goes back to patience. These things don't happen overnight. And it does take a macro level long-term view. And that's what I've tried to stress for you guys, to look at it from it that way. If you're up all night worrying about the price and so forth, then maybe this market's not for you, or you need to change your perspective and understand what's taking place. This is not a get rich overnight scheme or something like that. The same way if you invested in Amazon or Google or eBay in the early 90s, you had to wait some time to get returns and make some significant money. So you got to have that perspective, guys. Now, we continue to see investments in the market, millions of dollars, just coming from all over the place. So check this out. Bank of America, Coinbase Ventures invested in Paxos $300 million funding round. Why would Bank of America be investing in this, guys? Why would Coinbase? They see the opportunity of return. They see what the potential is for these companies. And I hope you understand that these companies need the asset class to do well, to grow, and that means increase prices and valuation. If the price doesn't increase, no one cares. It wouldn't go anywhere, right? Sure, you may have some use cases for blockchain, but the point is a lot of these crypto projects and so forth and different solutions that they offer, the value increases with adoption and utility. And that's why these companies are investing not only in the assets, but in these companies. And I've said it 100 times on this channel, guys, I wish I was an accredited investor because I hold the assets already, but I could double dip and go invest in these companies that are building the infrastructure. But I think once I make some significant returns and money, I think life-changing money off of my crypto investments, I will be able to maybe become an accredited investor. We'll see. But those are my plans. I'm thinking long-term, of course. So the blockchain-based crypto services firm is disclosing more big names with its latest funding round. Let's see here. This was a Series D funding round. So not an A, B, or C, a D, the 4th time around. So Oak HC/FT, I'm not sure what type of name that is, but led the funding round, which the 9-year-old company announced in late April at a valuation of $2.4 billion. The round also included PayPal Ventures and Mithril Capital, among others. The firm has raised more than $540 million over multiple funding rounds. The company noted that Bank of America joined the Paxos settlement service earlier this year. The platform uses blockchain technology to achieve same-day settlement of stock trades. Huge. I mean, this asset class is just going to be the greatest ever on the blockchain, 24/7 trading, tokenization of different assets, even stocks. And you have crypto and digital assets, and it's borderless, so you can be in any part of the world and invest in it. Now, check this out. This is very bullish. EU-backed investment fund puts $30 million into crypto VC's firm's new $130 million vehicle. The backing of Fabric Ventures marks the first time a fund affiliated, listen to this, with the European Commission has invested in digital assets. Do you see what is happening here? That's why I said the other day, don't listen to Elizabeth Warren and these political hacks. Watch what the big money is doing, the smart money. And these, this news item, it's factual. Obviously, it's based on information from press releases, SEC filings, and so forth. It's not making big headlines on CNN and Fox Business or CNBC. The masses are not majority and don't even know this is happening. And this is why I created this channel, to help educate people to see the opportunity before them. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. And that's why, like I said, don't listen to the FUD, don't listen to the political hacks. Watch what they do, not what they say. I hope this is resonating with you. So let me give you some more details. The notable thing, however, is one of its backers, the European Investment Fund, which is comprised of the European Investment Bank, the European Union, and other financial institutions, chipped in $30 million. It is the first time, as mentioned before, that the European Commission is affiliated with this and investing in digital assets. This is big, guys. The VC firm, Fabric Ventures, they're based in London, and they closed a $130 million war chest for investing in early stage blockchain firms. Huge bullish news. I hope you see what is taking place here. Finally, PayPal, their CEO says Bitcoin buy and sell service could expand to the UK within the month. We are clearly thinking about the next generation of what the financial system looks like. So the price came down, yet these companies are still expanding and trying to set up shop everywhere. It's on, baby. It's a competition. The race is heating up. Everybody's trying to get as big of a market share as possible. Obviously, PayPal is a giant, and they're looking to get crypto set up as much as possible. And it's going to be between the crypto exchanges that exist, Robinhood, PayPal, and Square. Everybody's jumping in. I hope you guys see what is taking place. We still got ways to go. We're still early in the adoption curve. When in doubt, guys, zoom out. Don't get depressed. Don't look at the price every day. And if you do look at it every day, have a macro level perspective. Do I check the prices every day? Of course, but I'm not like, oh no, Bitcoin dropped $500 today, man. XRP's down 10 cents, dude. I don't care, because I'm looking macro level. And that worked out for me in 2017. I made some money then, and I see the market cycles playing out again. And this time around, my bags are packed, and I'm excited for the future of this market. So guys, what do you think about this news? Do you think an SEC Ripple settlement is in the works? It certainly looks that way, but obviously we don't have concrete information here. We're speculating, but given the movements and the non-movements on both sides, something is happening. Something is happening outside of the normal process. There hasn't been any response from Ripple, and we shall see. Like I said, all you XRP haters, this thing is going to be settled, and XRP is going to skyrocket. And I think, with that clarity, we're going to see adoption and more utility, just like we saw this past week of ODL going live in Japan. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and I will talk to you all later.